How do I make money in 2023? Because it's a valid question. You know, you have a lot of young hustlers, kids in their 16s to 18s, they're still in high school, but they understand the online money game. They understand that there's some cash to be made, and they want to get in on the action, you know? So don't let anybody tell you because you're young that you can't be out here making money, that you can't be out here hustling. You know, I have students, kids that are 16 years old doing 20, 50K days, like they're absolutely crushing. I have 19-year-olds that are doing 100K days. And I have kids that are in their early 20s doing $300,000 days. Literally proven, tested, real e-commerce stores that are brands, right? These are real tangible things. Now, yeah, they may be anomalies, but why can't you be an anomaly, right? If somebody else can't do it, doesn't mean you can't do it. In the comments, you're going to see so many people be like, oh yeah, well that's luck, or that's bullshit, or whatever. Yeah, there's so many excuses as to why you can't do something, right? But you only need one good reason as to why you need to do something, and you can be that difference. You can be that point of difference. And